Is Pusher Mania really an easy way to earn $100 as it looks like when you first download this app, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it, and in this Pusher Mania review I will give you an inside look and I will reveal some very important details you need to know before you invest any time inside this app. So before we go inside, let's go over who can join. And Pusher Mania is an app you can only download for Android devices. So that's what you need to be aware of first of all. Secondly, it seems like it's available in more or less all countries, but before downloading it, please watch this full video first so you know what to expect. But let me now then log inside and then we can see exactly what it offers. So I have now logged into Pusher Mania and it looks super easy at first. You see I just have a number of coins there and I just click the screen and then they dump them there on the belt and it pushes them out, the coins, and whenever they're pushed out, you see there, then I win. Some of them goes up to these the coins and some of them up there, the actual money, and that's basically all there is to it. And I get new coins regularly, you can see every 5 seconds or so, and when they're out I can watch ads to get more. And in general there are a lot of ads, there's like pop-up ads regularly. That's just something you need to be aware of with this app. And also sometimes it has like other options over here on the side to earn extra, but this is basically all there is to it. You just need to click, and at first it goes very fast. You can see up here I have $25 almost, and it took me like 5 minutes to earn my first $20, so it looks very promising. But then the green one, you see the green coins are the ones that are actually money, and then you have these other tokens over here, the gold coins or whatever. It's not what you can get paid out as cash. You can also get them paid out, but there's just fewer and fewer of the green coins available. And you see, then I can also like all these other extra tools and have to watch ads to get that. But anyways, my point is that it becomes harder and harder to earn as you earn more. And this is because, of course, then you need to spend more time and they get to show more ads. They will earn more before you actually reach the payout threshold. So let's talk about the payout threshold. Can you actually reach it? How much can you get paid? How can you get paid and all of that? So if you click at the top where they have the coins showing, you can see the payout options. I just click there and then you can see how I can supposedly redeem. And you can see the coins. I need 100 there to get $100 PayPal cash. And as mentioned, it really just took me 5 minutes to earn my first $20, and then the next $5 took maybe like 10 minutes or so. Still good value for money for just clicking the screen there, but now it just becomes harder and harder and harder, and I honestly don't think that I will ever be able to reach the payout threshold. And then you can say, well, at least I get gold coins. Yeah, right now I have like 10,000 and I need 5 million to earn a $2 Amazon gift card. Like, if you want to earn free Amazon gift cards, don't use this option. I have a video about the best ways to do that. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out instead. That's just really ineffective. But the main issue here is that it just becomes harder and harder to earn, and it seems like it basically will be more or less impossible to reach the payout threshold. But I'm not the only one that has this experience. Let me just close down the app and then we'll talk about also what I hear from others about this. So I'm now on the Google Play page and you can see a few reviews. See, again, somebody says once you get close to $100, you no longer get the green coins. Another one, see, once you're close to completing the requirements, it becomes impossible to achieve, right? And another one, again, once you get close to it, you don't get the green coins anymore. So this is a general issue people have. I cannot say for sure that it's impossible to reach, but I can say it will take you a very, very, very long time and a lot of patience. And in general, apps that promise fast money like this usually then have these tricks. Suddenly they stop giving you what pays or whatever, or once you then reach it, there are extra requirements. And when it comes to Pusher Mania, when you read the terms inside the app, it actually says that they do not guarantee that there will actually be any value of the coins you earn. They say that in the terms. Plus, you can download this game here from all countries. But when you read the terms, it says that you have to live in the US to earn. So that also means, according to their terms, they just open it up so you can join basically from all countries. But in the terms it says that you need to live in the US. So that means that you can maybe, I don't know how many hours or weeks or months it would take to maybe reach the payout threshold, if it's even possible. If you reached it, please share below. I'm personally not going to waste like weeks trying to achieve this. But if you then happen to do that and do not live in the US, you have broken the terms, because in the terms it says that you can only earn when you live in the US. It's like ridiculous that they even then allow it. And who reads the terms like that? Like, you assume that if you can download it, that you can play. So there are quite a few red flags when it comes to Pusher Mania, in my opinion. So to sum it all up, Pusher Mania, in my opinion, is a waste of time if you want to earn money by playing games. I'll leave a link below to a list I have on my website of the best apps and websites to earn like that. Playing games through apps like this is not something that will make you a lot, but those platforms that I have on that list, I definitely know will make it easy for you to reach the payout threshold. They're not all kind of extra tricks when you earn more. They're very transparent, and that's definitely something that is very important when it comes to making money online. And many people have asked me about this Pusher Mania, and that's why I recorded this video, to show exactly what to expect and what you need to consider. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.